In the lab we have a lot of platforms, a lot, too much, and it's very difficult for the technicians to manage all those platforms. We are looking for a holy grail that permits to consolidate all our platform. We are waiting for an instrument able to do random access capabilities with great accuracy, high throughput, short turnaround time, of course, as usual.
The feature that I like with the system on both systems is the microfluidic plate. That is where all the brains of the whole system is. I mean, the fact that it's so small and normally in a lab you would have maybe 2 instruments or 2, say, modules within an instrument doing the 2 parts here. It's all done in one. So you have the extraction and the PCR.
What I really like about this particular instrument is many of the reagents are dried down reagents. They have long-term onboard stability. They have stability at room temperature. The process is very automated. The technical staff in the lab that ran the assay was very impressed by their interactions with the software. So 3 ways I would describe this system would be ease of use, fast, and reliable.
Now we are quite careful about the environmental impact of all the system we use in the lab. So basically the less waste you generate, the better it is. And that's the case with the NeuMoDx because it generates very little solid waste for the amount of work we perform. So then you don't need too much storage for the reagent, you don't need too much storage for the consumable, and then the solid waste, you don't have too much waste either.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.